doing all these steps together, girl. Woo! I am showing you full coverage today, baby. Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel, it's your girl Kayla. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday mattified, extremely matte, sweat proof, you know, club proof, all of that makeup routine. There is a crazy heat wave that is going on across the US right now. And even though I live in Texas and this is like the norm for us, I know that it isn't for everybody else. So I want to share with you guys a great way to apply your full beat but not have it melt off. This is going to be mask proof, sweat proof, all of that, okay? Before we get into today's video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the family and also hit that like button because it really helps to grow out. And be sure to share this video with any of your friends because that also helps to grow out. And let's get into today's video. Starting off with a fresh face, I've washed my face and moisturized it, and now I'm going to be applying some sunscreen. This is the Sun Bum sunscreen in SPF 50. I should have gotten 70 to be honest with you, but I got 50. I know some people are going to be like, but sunscreen gives you flashback, girl. I'm more worried about wrinkles than I am about flashback, let's be honest, okay? I applied a lot. That's way too much. Don't apply this much. This is a little excessive. I mean, but you could always just like apply it to other places on your body, like your arms, hands, because you need it. You need it, even though it's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm literally just getting ready to go to bed. To prime my face, I use the Milk Hydro Grip Face Primer, and this is so bomb. I literally just repurchased it today. I bought the mini size of it, loved it so much, and was so sad when I ran out and was like, I want to pay $32 for a full size, but honestly, since I've used this one, this is my current favorite primer. Like, your makeup will stay on all day. Even if you're wearing a mask, it stays on. It is so good. If I'm going for a matte look, I apply loose powder, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30. I also use shade 25 depending on my shade and the time of year. But if you haven't heard this tip before, I learned this from Wayne Goss, and I've also heard it from Jackie Aina. If you apply a powder before you apply a foundation, I can't talk, it'll keep you matte all day. So if you just want to be straight up matte, girl, a loose powder is your best friend. Honestly, I've tried high-end, I've tried low-end powders. This is literally the best powder to keep me matte all day. I don't know what it is. There might be some other powders out there that I haven't tried, but this is my go-to. I also take that on a damp beauty sponge. This is the e.l.f. beauty sponge, and I just press that in my skin. You want to make sure to press this in any areas that you get oily throughout the day. If you get especially oily around your nose, girl, you need to put some extra powder there. You just want to kind of just prep your skin for foundation, and this goes in it if you are oily like myself. Lately, I have been noticing I do get a little bit more oily right here, so I'm going to go with a little bit extra. There's just something about this powder, it's so smooth. I really wish they would have more shade options. Like, I would love a banana, a translucent, like Maybelline, girl. The foundations I'm using at the moment are the Maybelline Superstay foundations in the shade 220 Natural Beige and 312 Golden. And I just mixed the two up. Lately, I've been using a flat kabuki brush to apply foundation. This is the IT Cosmetics Airbrush brush, the number 77 brush. And stipple that all over my face. What helps with this foundation is this foundation will actually be matte pretty much all day. It is full coverage and it will stay, but like doing all these steps together, girl, woo! I am showing you full coverage today, baby. Now I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty sponge and just kind of blend everything out. Next, I'm going to go in with some contour. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. I'm going in with my all-time favorite Morphe G40 brush. This is discontinued, but so freaking good. If I can find something similar to it that maybe they sell or that somebody sells, I'll link it down below. But honestly, I know that they discontinued it. I will never give this up, girl. I will petition for them to bring it back. Okay, I know, like, a little crazy, but trust the process, please. I'm going to be going in with my highlighting concealer, and that is the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Beige. Well, it's a Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. Whatever's left over on my sponge, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the middle of my forehead. I don't like to do too much on my forehead. I don't like to go too crazy with the foundation or anything like that, because I feel like then if I do, it looks like I'm wearing a mask, but also it's better for my forehead so that I don't break out as much if I'm not applying as much product on my face. For bake, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm just putting it in this little, I don't even know where I got this, to be honest with you, but I have this little like tubby thing that I use to place my powders in if they don't have like a large enough cap or if I'm mixing them. For cheeks, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 30. I'm going to take a large fluffy brush. This is the Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and start wiping away the bake. The bronzer I'm using today is my NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. So I purchased the entire Jaclyn Hill Bougie Rouge collection, and I'm going to be applying, I think, one of the palettes to my face today, and possibly the, what are these? The Luminous Rouge Blush Rouge. I don't know what shade I'm gonna do though, but I'm excited about these, and I know people are like, what? Okay, so I just want to mention that NARS has this product, and it is the Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder, and this is supposed to be like their blush Orgasm, but it's a highlight, and girl, it makes your skin look like it's literally just like beaming, like it's wet, like there's no highlight on it, but like you're just out in the sun and it's just like wet in the right places. That makes sense? This product is bomb. I don't know why people don't talk about it. This is so good. So I'm excited to try out these products. We're gonna do that today because I like to experiment with blush. Blush is always something that I just like to I change it up all the time, so there's never like the same, I mean, that's a lie. Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. I think I'm gonna be using this one and mixing like these three together. Look at that. Ever After looks beautiful. Ooh, with this one though. Oh, this one looks super nice. It's because I'm like, I kind of want to do like the Kylie Jenner soft pink look and use Rouge Affair, but also like these three are just calling out to me, so I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay. The brush I like to use for blush is the Morphe M406 brush. This is a dual fiber brush that you usually use to like touch up your foundation or even apply your foundation. And I feel like this is the best to apply blush because it doesn't allow the blush to cake on your cheek. Well, more like it doesn't allow it to settle in your texture. I feel like it just diffuses it really nicely. So I'm gonna be taking a mixture of Pretty Posh, Ever After, and Tempting. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I'm gonna do my eyes today using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the Volume 1 palette. I'm just gonna do a real quick eye. What's up, dude? So if you see him in the background, my cat might be walking around. There he goes. You see him? Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, that's awesome because I can never get him on camera. He's always like camera shy. The lashes that I like to use on a daily basis are either my Kiss Lash Couture L'Extensions lashes. That is a mouthful, in the style Royal Silk, or my Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink collection in the style Muse. I feel like I'm getting a little bit stuffy. Bob, you made me stuffy, Bob. What are you doing? I'm gonna fix those in a second, but I'm gonna let the lashes dry before I start fixing anything. I'm going to be doing the lower lash line, and I'm using my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Mascara. I decided to scratch the Jaclyn Hill loose blushy thing, and I'm going to be using my NARS Orgasm Illuminating Powder. Oh my god, look at that. So it's like a matte, but I'm glowy. For lips, I'm taking my Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. This is my all-time favorite lip liner, hands down, so good. Going over that with my L'Oreal Color Rouché lipstick in the shade 181 Nude Rich. Nude Intense, sorry. To set everything into place and keep it matte all day, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. This is a mattifying setting spray. They do have a dewy one, but the pink one is the mattifying one. I'm going to give it a good shake. And this is my everyday matte summer ready makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also hit that subscribe button to join the family, and also share this video because it really helps your girl out. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.